Do your leads look like this? If they do, you're not alone. Less people in the office, way more people online, means a lot more marketing noise. And sadly, increasingly fewer responses. If you want your business to cut through the noise, you need to stand out. And you'll never achieve that if you look and sound the same as everyone else. Up by Wonderleads has been designed to help your business rise above the marketing noise. Instead of relying on traditional spray and pray tactics generating low quality leads that hardly ever convert, we use our state-of-the-art software to produce highly creative, individually personalised videos on your company's behalf. Then we give you incredible ways to share those videos and monitor activity so you know exactly which customers are engaging. So whether you sell cutting-edge engineering or corporate yoga retreats, Up helps you to kickstart remarkable conversations with your ideal customers. The business world has changed. Isn't it time your marketing changed too?